This is a video on how to pull error codes on a new Holland Construction equipment. The one I'm using is a 2020 L334 skid loader. So you first start out, get your screen up, and then you find this little icon to give you a menu. And when you do that, you're going to see right here a wrench. You want that icon, so go below that and push the wrench. Now you have your menu that comes up. The diagnostic trouble codes are right there, so you need to go down. You use this one to go down till you highlight the diagnostic trouble codes. Now you have your trouble codes highlighted. You have to press enter. This is the icon for enter. And there you are with your error codes, and then you can scroll to the right to find how many error codes there are. In this one there were 2, so we'd use this button right here to scroll to the right, and then you see it, and that one to go back, and then to return you can press the one on the left. Now if you want to go back to the main menu, the house is always the main menu. Press the house button and you're back to the main menu. Good luck.